My mom's in a good mood. I think now would be a good time to tell her that I'm quitting.
You can't quit. If you quit, then I have to quit, and I need this job. I got kids to feed.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. A whole birthday party over at table 8. Feliz cumpleaños, Marcos! Sigue tu corazón!
I'm sorry, Frankie, but the embarrassment stops now. Okay, now. Mom, can I talk to you for a sec?
Sure thing, sweetie.
I don't know if I'm right for this job.
What are you talking about?
Haven't you seen what a terrible waitress I am? I keep putting my dirty thumbs in people's iced teas.
You're just starting out. We all make mistakes.
Okay, I also used a knife to clean my nails.
Ooh, they look gorgeous, honey.
I also dropped the bread on the floor, I used a fork as a back scratcher, and I sneezed in the pasta primavera.
Honey, what's going on? It sounds like you don't want to spend time with me.
No, I think my time would be better spent making videos.
Oh, I get it. You want the two of us to make a commercial for the restaurant. That way we combine what you do with what I do, and we can spend even more time together. Yay, us!